how to print PNR and how mail PNR. Entry for printing PNR or for mailing PNR is PK. Basic entry is PK, that's all. Well, system will create PNR receipt. You will see reservation system, PNR locator, then airline locator. Then if tickets are issued already, you will see ticket numbers, or if PNR not ticketed, you will see time limit information. Then info about all passengers in PNR and their ID. Then info about flight, airline and flight number. Then original city and airport, destination city and airport and terminal of this airport. Then departure and arrival time and day. Then info about is flight segment confirmed or waiting list, for example, booking code, class, economy or business, travel time. It's the first flight and then return flight. Well, you can add passenger line number in this request. If you add passenger number in request, it will be next to request. So PK number 1, I'm going to print PNR receipt for the first passenger in PNR. So you will see just one passenger in this display. But there is some remarks, there is some SSR in PNR. So you can add SSR in PNR receipt. It will be PK, then line number, for example, /SSR. If you want to add just, for example, one SSR in PNR receipt, add SSR line number in request. Let's add just fifth SSR in PNR receipt, SSR number 5. This SSR is added in PNR receipt. Well, and this SSR is next to flight segment. So passenger take the dog only on the first flight segment. Then there is remarks in PNR. Let's add this remark in PNR receipt. For example, remark number 2 and number 3. Entry will be PK, passenger line number, / let's add SSR number 5 in PNR receipt, / let's add remark, it will be OZ, number 2 and 3 in PNR receipt. So remarks, let's go to the next page, it will be F9 key. So remark, it is added to PNR. Oh, sorry, to PNR receipt. Then you can add pricing in PNR receipt. Entry will be PK, then passenger line number, then, for example, let's miss SSR and AZ, and let's add pricing only, P for pricing. So it will be 3 slashes. SSR should be after the first slashes, remark should be after the second one, and price should be after the third slash in request. So system show us pricing for system add pricing for the third passenger in PNR receipt, and system tell us that price enforced on this day and time. Let's get pricing per the whole PNR. So you will see total amount. If you want, you can add for information agency fee to this document, PNR receipt. Entry will be, let's take the first passenger only, pricing plus agency fee, for example, 100 in local currency, 100 and dot. So system added this agency fee to total amount in PNR receipt. Then you can send this information to some mail. So it will be a fifth slash and then mail, for example, my mail, and I will get this PNR receipt in my mail. So for printing this PNR receipt, you use PK. For send this receipt to email, add 5 slashes and add mail this request. Between these 2 slashes, you can add 1 slash info about SSR, for example, SSR number 2. Second slash will be info about remarks. It will be OZ and, for example, remark number 3. Then slash, you can add pricing in this request. Slash, you can add agency fee to this PNR receipt. And then you can set this PNR receipt to somebody's mail.